Today, Mr. Summers, me, Court, and that guy, whoever he is, we'll be showing you the mathematical equation of what happens when you throw a rock, right there, and against really hard CO2 canister used for like airsoft guns. All right,
And paintball.
and these guys will be solving our equation today. All right, do your work. Reload.
Reload it! Hit that! Are you ready? This is the hammer rock.
Brigham, I got a nice crack shot of you. Oh! And that is the answer.
It explodes!
And if you didn't know what it meant, it means it explodes.
Mr. Summers.
So, Mr. Summers, if you ever want to do this again, do it, because it's really fun.